What is up, YouTube? Oh yeah, bro, this is my favorite map. What is up, YouTube? We is back with another video, which is actually, this is actually my first video on my new YouTube channel. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button. And today, we just gonna be playing like pros, hopefully. I did 2 other videos, pre-videos, before I did this one, and I literally lost both of them because my teammates were being stupid, and I should have helped them. No! 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 Break the block! Break the block! I hate you. I hate you. Just let me say that. And I have actually my face cam, but I'm not going to show my face right now because I don't like showing my face. I'm really ugly in person. And any of my ex-girlfriends, my friends, any of them can say that. Which, my ex-girlfriend is my friend. So, yeah. I want to see the reaction when I say I'm a big YouTuber. Which I'm not. My YouTube channel name right now is called Dollar Reacts, but I'm going to change the name right after this video. I'm talking about, I don't care anymore. What's the point? We yellow team, right? Oh my god, okay. Nope, no, what is you doing? Quit. I'm sorry guys that I just yelled. I swear, I'm gonna freaking kill this dude if he don't stop. Like, dang, I'm trying to place down wood. I'm trying to place wood. I swear, y'all little babies. Hey, just stick up for yourself. Y'all little, Y'all too dumb. Thank you, whoever that was. Just thank you, because you're not acting stupid like anybody else. Oh my gosh, and of course I just said that. Okay, whew, thought I sit out. Oh, there y'all get to see my computer. Well, thanks, that's nice. Okay, I need 4, no you won't! I'm going to kill you. I am literally going to kill you. We are going to play solos next. No, we're not. I suck at solos. Mainly because I'm only like level 3 or 4. Make sure y'all get high pixel so I can play with y'all. Y'all freaking suck, I swear. I'm sorry for screaming, but green team, stop, just stop. Y'all make me so mad. By that, I mean I'm gonna kill every single one of y'all if y'all don't freaking quit, bro. Man, that's my favorite map and everything. Gosh, why did I just waste all that? Yay, I just got my partner's all his stuff. Yay. That's supposed to be yay. I don't know. Y'all suck, bro. Y'all freaking team. Bruh! The whole... Hold up. Let me just go. Let me just show you what just happened. Every single one of them just came in. That ain't my fault. At least I killed 2 people. Okay? At least I killed 2 people. You know what? Forget y'all. Forget y'all! Oh yeah. Y'all like my new skin? Ski Mask Slump Guard. He got the Gucci belt, Gucci shirt. Got my braids. Ah, this has to be one of my favorite maps. If I know what it was. Man, there's only 2. Oh, I know this one. I play this one a lot. Mainly because I lose a lot. Yay, I'm yellow team again. Y'all know what that means. Losing team. I'm just about to build. I'm not even going. No, I'm just gonna go for mid. I do not care anymore. And y'all want to hear one of those? I forgot to crouch. I forgot to crouch. Have fun, am I right? Oh my gosh. Stop hogging all the freaking iron. Hopefully y'all heard that. And if you didn't, just stop. One of y'all should be building towards... Alright, thank you. Whoever's building towards the middle. I don't know your name. Okay. Okie dokie. So I had to fix my mic real quick. Y'all can officially just say I'm the suckiest Minecraft player on planet Earth, and I will agree with y'all. Just say it in my face. I do not care anymore. It's either my crouch button's not working, or I cannot crouch. Alright, I'm crouching. Y'all know what I hate? Like, whenever I'm building towards something, I realize that I pass it all the freaking time. Somebody just got knocked off the edge. Well, green team and blue team. Why is my whole team falling into the void? Oh, bruh, this dude just freaking scared. I know he is not stealing all my freaking diamonds. But what is you doing? Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Our bed's about to get destroyed. Yeah, we already said that. Thank you. This has to be the best game, people, I ever played with. Ready? I'll give a shout out if we win. Where is it? 4 diamonds. Oh shoot, y'all need to see some armor. Ooh. Sorry for saying the N-word, but god dang, what? Really? Gotta get that. Why did I just buy? Okay. I just gotta put it in here. Red team got destroyed. Isn't that nice? I'm just waiting to kill green. I hope they know how it feels to be betrayed. Oh, you freaking suck. Yeah, you suck, dust cheek. However you say your name. Well, guess what? That's why I put stone swords. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna do it like a cool pin. Boom. Green team is literally targeting us. They're targeting us. There we go. Now I can speak big boy words. Yes, I'm just wasted a golden apple. Mainly because I did not thinking of what I was doing. But hey, I'm going to mid. It might be the best decision. Oh, it was red team. I was like, well, y'all. I was like, what happened to blue team? I was like, y'all need to kill blue team in the mid. Just tell me how. They have more fighting experience. He's literally freaking targeting me. I'm gonna kill Dust Sheik. I do not care what any of y'all say. I'm literally gonna kill him. And none of my teammates, which is the good thing, don't know about the winning chest, about like what I put in there. And we're about to get bombed, so like y'all need to start buying stuff, or else he's gonna freaking kill us all. Sure, nigga. Yeah. Now you want to back up. Come on, Ricky. Bet, bro. Y'all ain't gonna do nothing. Y'all ain't gonna do nothing. Y'all ain't gonna do nothing. Hey, score! Score! No, you move! I thought that said Rick Plays was killed by Rick Plays. I was like, what? Okay. Please tell me there's nope, of course. Hey, at least I'm smart thinking, am I right? At least I built up. None of y'all did nothing. And at least I tried. Next thing I'm going for is getting just a freaking bow, so I can shoot off green team. Just in case, like. And if we make it to the very end, yeah. Yeah! Say what now? Say what? Yeah! Waste of TNT, wasn't it? Waste of TNT, wasn't it? Squad up. Say what's up then. Really? He did not die? Okay, whew. I was sitting there like, really, bro? I know this jump did not just happen in front of me. Y'all got a Mount Savage. No, I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna need a gapple. That's mainly what I need. I'm gonna need a girl. And I'm gonna need friends. Forget that second one and the last one. Uh-oh, y'all already know my boy know what happening. What's his name? What's your name? And guys, I can only stream for 15 minutes right now. Mainly because, yeah, I can only stream for 15 minutes right now. Y'all some butt cheeks. Forget everything I said. Yeah, he fell into the void. How about that? Can I get a round of applause for that? What can I get for 4 things? Wow, he literally blew it up. Watch out for blue team. How? Hey, that's really smart. Knock him to our base. Yeah, say what's up then, fool. You don't want none of this? You don't want none of this? You do not want none of this? I'm sorry, guys, for screaming. Just let y'all know, my thing's gonna end in about 50 seconds, so make sure y'all subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. And our bed just got destroyed. Can I get a round of applause for that? Woo! Perfect timing. Gosh. But if y'all want to play with me, my gamer tag is ZK Watson. As you can tell, is right there. Right there. ZK Watson hit the hardwood floor because he was literally targeting me the whole time. So, yeah, that's right. Well, guess what? Nobody gets a shout out or win. Thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all have a great day. And I'll see y'all later. Bye. And I just now realized that nothing